Dang, can you see? Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to replace my 22-inch light bar to a 32-inch light bar on our Toyota RAV4. So come on, let me show you what I got. Okay, so first I got some brackets from Australia. These are Steady brands. These are from Australia and they are made to fit the Rhino Rack Pioneer platform. So I pre-installed them right now to check what's the maximum size of light bar I can fit with my roof rack. So with this particular setup, with the extension outward position, I can fit 38 inches. But we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna do 32-inch because the brand that I want to use from Amazon is not available on that size. So we're gonna settle with the 32 inches, which is gonna be nice, I believe. So let me show you what I got on the light bar. Alright, so we got the Rigidhorse 32 inches combo pattern in here. So this is a spot flood combo pattern. I got this from Amazon. It is inexpensive, really, and I like the slim profile. Yeah, so let me connect the DT connector first on the wire so that we can just plug and play on my existing harness. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I completely put the new connector. So this is a DT connector. So I'll put the link in the description below if you want to get one. But this is the easiest and safest way to do it because I already have an existing harness, which is a DT DT connector harness, or Dutch connector, if I pronounce that right. But yeah, so if you want, I'll put the link in the description below. Check it out. Yeah, so now let's put this light bar up there, but before we screw it in, let's test it. All right, let's go. Okay, so I just place it or rest it on top of the roof rack right now. So let's turn it on. Whoo, that is bright. Yep, very bright. So at least right now we know it works. So now let's put it in place. Okay, and to install this, we're gonna need I'm gonna use the hardware that came with the Steady kit bracket that I got. You can also use the one that came with the light bar if you choose to, but these are the hardware from Steady, so we're gonna use this instead. All right, let's go. Okay, so the game plan is to put the screw first here and then work on the other side, do the adjustment basically. I'm working by myself. It is best if you work with someone to have an extra hand. That will be perfect. So let's continue with this. All right, so here it is. It is fully installed. I aligned it already, so it's already perfect. I already wired it. And yep, so the way I wire this is, let's go here. So basically I run the harness under this cover in here. So it's under that cover. I just removed those 3 plastic screws or retainers and I run it in there. So yeah, so run it there and run it in here and through the A pillar. So basically here, it's in here as you can see. It's on this channel. So yeah, and then I run it here. So there you go, the Deutsch connector. It's in there, and we got this generic Amazon. Well, it's Rigidhorse. That's the brand. Got it from Amazon. So I wish I have the ability to purchase like Baja Designs. That will be awesome. But yeah, so this looks perfect. Looks better than the 20-inch. Again, this is a 32-inch light bar. Yeah, so let's test it. Yeah, so over here, it's so dark in here right now. So yeah, so it's so dark in here. Let's try it. Dang, that is very bright. So we're testing our light bar right now. This is the Rigidhorse. If you want to purchase it, I'll put the link in the description below. So I got this. Let's test it on. That is bright. I love it. Yeah guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.